This is a very interesting picture here. See, here's my gate, and look at the snow. This looks like snow falling off of the tree here. And you can see how the wind is blowing underneath the edge of the door. There's about a 3-inch gap there. If I tried to open the door opens inward. There's no way I could open the door, because there's probably 6 or 8 inches of snow on the other side of it. And so here we're seeing the corner of my privacy fence, and right out there is the original snowbank that never melted, and it's covered with some fresh snow. And then you can kind of see how big the snowbank is that was plowed up by the plows.